Today we will see how to make a water house pouring. First they turned on the cement mixer machine. Then stone, sand and cement were added to the mixer machine. A man was turning the machine with all his might and mixing the cement. The mixer machine was going round and round mixing the sand. This time the mixture will be given to the main work of welding. The mixer was throwing down the machine when everything was mixed. Then a woman took the cement and put it in a dish. 2 or 3 people were taking the cement to the main casting place with that plate on their heads. The water house is surrounded by a square shape made of bricks. A rod has been placed between them and cement is being given to strengthen the area. A man was spreading cement with a vibration machine so that the cement goes equally in every place. They all started working very fast because they had to finish the work before evening. Finally, the casting is finished and a beautiful wall was created.